Hey everybody, it's Charlie with Russ Darrow Kia Waukesha here again. Today I'm in front of our 2024 Kia Forte LXS trim level, Aurora Black exterior color with a black interior color. Pop in the hood here and you will see we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with 147 horsepower. A huge selling point here for the Forte, we have 32 miles per gallon combined with 28 city, 39 highway, and an MSRP on this guy of $22,440. Opening the door to the interior portion of the vehicle, I just wanted to show you guys how you pop the gas cap in this guy. You simply pull that, opens the gas lid right there, and then you just screw off the cap and you can put your gas in the vehicle. Popping the trunk open on this guy now, you can see there's plenty of space in the back. We got an all-weather cargo mat there and some extra storage space down below here. It does not come with a spare, but I'm going to show you guys the back of the vehicle, how it looks exteriorly here as well. Another side view of the vehicle here, but it does have a blind spot monitoring system to keep you and your passengers safe. And here I am now in the back of the vehicle. I just wanted to show you guys, I have plenty of room, plenty of headspace. Here's a look at the cloth seating. Space is not going to be a concern for any of the passengers in this vehicle. Here's a look at the steering wheel here. You're going to have the same Bluetooth settings, the same cruise control and lane keep assist settings. There's the digital display up front, very similar to other Kia models, and the infotainment center. Of course, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable with the radio settings, a manual adjustment for the temperature control, 2 USB ports, and a cigarette lighter here as well. And you're going to have 2 cup holders here. This model has really everything you'd be looking for up front on a base model. Still has a lot of tech packages. And here is some space in the middle here as well on the center console. Lastly, I wanted to show you guys the integrated backup camera to make sure that you're not backing up into cars, curbs, or people. The Forte is one of the most affordable new vehicles on the market right now, and there's currently both leasing and financing specials available. So contact us here at 262-444-5445 to take advantage of those.